Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 8290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 8290 is making funny noises during its cleaning routine, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a worn-out motor or debris caught in the brushes. If left unchecked, these noises can lead to further damage, resulting in a complete malfunction of your device, which can be both frustrating and costly. To fix this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor compatible with the Conga 8290, and some soft cloths for cleaning. When you feel ready to start, begin by ensuring your device is unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the Conga 8290. Gently lift the cover to avoid damaging any clips. Once opened, look for the motor. It's typically situated near the brushes. You'll be able to identify it by the noise it makes and its position. Carefully disconnect the cables attached to the motor, taking note of where they connect. Use the flathead screwdriver to help pry out the old motor, ensuring you don't damage any neighboring components. When installing the new motor, gently push it into place and reconnect the cables securely. Make sure to tighten any screws without applying excessive force, as this could strip the threads. Before closing the device, check that all components are correctly seated and that there are no loose parts. Replace the cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brushes and ensure no debris is lodged in the motor. Keeping your Conga 8290 well maintained will help prolong its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.